How's it going, guys? I'm going to be running the Countess right now. This is going to be my first run running the Countess. I got the Oculus. I got some good items. I've been at this for a while now. I am in hell. I need better rings. I need better... certain items I do need better ones. Let's just make a town portal here in case I die. Hell has not been easy. I'm going to try to go straight to her if I can. Oh, damn. See, that's convenient, but not always. Sometimes it's annoying. Like they put me behind. There we go. There we go. So I'm doing good right now. And there she is. There we go. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh, damn, she's immune to everything? You gotta be kidding me. Okay, well... Can my mercenary even kill her? Come on, bro. It's up to you, or we don't got anything. I'll open that up. There we go. Come on, bro. Wahid, do it, bro. You got this, man. Yeah. Come on, man. There you go. She dropped an Ort Ruin, and that's it. I'm guessing that's pretty crappy for a hell version of her. Oh. Is this only drop in hell? Because I've never had this before. Or maybe it's just on the first time you kill her. So we got some flawless items. We got some mana potions. Nothing great, guys. Okay, so that was the Countess run. Nothing great. We'll try again a few times and see what happens. Alright, guys. Let's run this one more time. It takes me forever to get here because hell is hard. I guess that's the point of hell. It's supposed to be hard. Hopefully they don't kill my dude. I need my dude. Oh, yeah. Uh-oh. They killed my dude. Now what? Yeah. Yeah. Is that good? Am I good to go? Pick that up. Okay. Uh-oh. Yeah, it's a lot harder. Uh-oh. Is that like what? Another demon, like, boss or something? No, no boss. Okay. Okay. Let's hold the right buttons in case I need them. Immune to fire, obviously. There we go. Enough mana now. Oh, damn. That guy's not easy. There we go. Sweet. Okay, pick up more mana. Full rejuvenation. Regular one. What did we pick up by accident? Nothing. Let's go. Alright, guys. Almost there. Identity. Lots of money. Let's just shoot something through there. Yeah. I know she's in there. Hello, goodbye. Oh, no, 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 whoa, whoa, whoa. There you go. Ruin. Did I kill her? Was that it? Well, that sucks. Oh, no, that's her. Oh, damn. Okay. We need to go get Wahid because I can't kill her without him. Let's go. Where is this guy at?
Greetings.
Need Wahid. What's up, Wahid? Let's go kill this chick, because I can't do it without you, bro. That's a regular one. Okay, now go kill her. Come on, Wahid. You got this. I'm gonna open one of these, because this is not easy. Hello. Yeah, there she is. Okay, bro, go get her, man. What are you doing, man? There you go. Yeah. Do it, Wahid. You got this. Boom. There's nothing I can do to help, so I might as well just hang out here, do nothing. But this clearly shows you how important Wahid is and how important your helper is, because I'm useless. So I'm just chilling here. She seems to be going down. He seems to be alright. Give it some time. What else can I do? Nothing. Just wait. Wahid got this, bro. Come on, bro. Right there. Boom. And she's out. We got the Neph Ruin. We got the Ruin. Crystal Sword. Great Sword. So let's just see here real quick. We got the Ruin. Well, we got all these Ruins in this one. So I'm going to just get rid of this stuff here. And pick up the Great Sword. So this is what we got off the run this time. So we got the 2 Ruins. We got that sword. And we got that sword. Oh, damn. That's a good sword. That's a really good sword. Alright, guys. That's everything for this one. Let's try it again and see what happens. Just like that. She's just... Oh, no. Wahid can't die. Wahid can't die. Wahid died. Oh, man. Wahid died. Pretty much boring when you fight her, but impossible to get to her. Not impossible, but like... Honestly, I die so many times. Oh, man. And there you go. How do I get Wahid again? He just died. She killed him this time. Should be a way to heal Wahid. Oh, get out of here. Jesus. Alright, hopefully this time it works, because honestly, it's getting ridiculous. She killed Wahid like 4 times already. Three times. Let's go. There we go. Should be able to kill her this time. Come on, man. There you go. Nephrun, Tirun. There we go, guys. So we got these 3 ruins. Honestly, it took forever to kill her. And we got the bastard sword. So we got this. That dropped from her. Alright, guys. Let's try 2 more times. But I'm going to have to edit this video to show you guys all the time while he died. And I'll see you guys at the next one. Alright, guys. Let's get this going. This is the 4th run of the Countess. Again, I can't kill her. It has to be Wahid that kills her. Wahid being my helper. There we go. Oi! Uh-oh. What? There we go. She hasn't dropped the best stuff, but she drops a lot of ruins, as you guys saw in my previous runs. My last one, Wahid died a bunch of times, so we're going to try to make it so that doesn't happen this time. I realized I think I can just run away from her. You know, just run from now on. Anytime. There we go. And make sure he's full life, you know what I mean? Like, not... Now get your life up. Okay, his life's up. And now hopefully... There you go. Let's see. Okay, well, he's dying, so we gotta go. Is he dead? No. See, he's running. Good. And she's almost dead, so that's what we're gonna do this time. That's how we're gonna do it. So he's gonna get his life back up. Her life should still be down. Oh. Okay, Wahid's life is almost up. See, before I lost him like 4 times, and it was crazy because it cost me a lot of money, and I had to sell a bunch of items I didn't even want to really sell. But now let's go back, and he should be able to kill her this time. Yeah, see, her life is still low. So let's go, Wahid. Let's go get her. Let's go, let's go, let's go. There we go. Yeah, should be able to kill her this time. See what she gives us. Home. Raw Ruin, Tall Ruin, Death Mask. So nothing great. There we go. That's all we got. Okay, guys, let's try it one more time, see what happens, and take it from there. Alright, guys, let's try this again. I already died a bunch of times because I die often. Turn this off and see if we can kill her. Turn that into the bolt. Turn that into that. There we go. Pick up my dead body. There she is. Hopefully he kills her. Should be no problem this time. Yeah. Looks like we're good to go. And this will be the last time I run her. I'm pretty sure this is the 5th time anyway. It takes forever to get to her. And then yeah, 2 crap ruins. And that's everything. Alright guys, that was it for this one. She didn't really drop anything notable, but yeah, let's try the next one.